Asteroids are probably another fascinating constituent of our universe until they are inside our atmosphere. These rocky planetoids or mini-planets often wander like a free-flowing body in outer space and can provide a lot of information about our universe. This is another reason why scientists are always up to dig deeper into the whole history of their origin when a single asteroid is concerned. Well, another reason why scientists pay close attention to these potential catastrophic objects are they can hit the Earth any minute. While wandering in outer space, they often get tangled up in dozens of different gravitational pulls from numerous planets that may direct them towards our blue planet. Well, it is not unknown what would arise when one of those hits the Earth. A catastrophic event is set to happen. Unfortunately, NASA has given a final warning regarding another asteroid hitting the Earth and has enlisted new ways to protect us from it. In this video, we are going to discuss what NASA scientists have come up with and how can we protect ourselves. Before the video starts, make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit the tiny bell icon to never miss a single update. To tackle an almost hitting asteroid, scientists have come up with the DART mission. Before we go deeper into that, let us first understand the concept of asteroids. Although some consider asteroids as chunks of other planets, after their disintegration, scientists think otherwise. They consider asteroids as micro-mini-planets, having certain weight, mass, and orbital axis. As far as few of those hitting the Earth is concerned, then the asteroids are present in bulk in between Mars and Jupiter planetary belt. Another major regions where the presence of asteroids can be detected are in the Saturn belt and in little amounts around other planets of our Milky Way galaxy. Well, it is not everything you see on the planetary belt or asteroids. Rather, once an asteroid as big as a tiny planet was proposed to be classified as a tiny planet instead. Rest asteroid is having significant size, and Mars are classified as planets' natural satellites. These belts may contain more than 3 million tiny and large asteroids combined over an area of 100 kilometers. Here main question arises, from where do asteroids come from? Are they formed in similar ways planets are formed, or are they really chunks of another disintegrated heavenly body? It is believed that asteroids were formed as early as 4.6 billion years ago, when other planets were supposedly evolving. One of the most asteroid-saturated zones is the belt between Jupiter and Mars, and has a history even deeper than that. It is believed that 4.6 billion years ago, when the universe was in its early formation state. The heavy mass of Jupiter prevented any other planet formation in between itself and Mars. As a result, newly pulping planets were straightaway disintegrated into irregular chunks known as asteroids today. This is the reason why asteroids are an important source of acknowledging the history of our universe. It is also believed that the gaseous giants in our solar system did not have a fixed path of orbit until several million years ago. This is why the asteroids formed in between their bets were also scattered throughout. Now that the planets have found their permanent orbital axis, asteroids seem to have made peace with this fact. These asteroids are mostly irregularly shaped, and very few of them are definite spears. Well, just like our planets, these rock chunks also have smaller moons circulating them. So another reason to call them mini-planets, right? Based on their orbital regions, asteroids are divided into different parts. Near-Earth asteroids are the ones passing through Earth's orbit, while Apollo asteroids are the ones that revolve inside Earth and Mars' common orbits. Apart from that, other types of asteroids like Atens revolve in the outer Earth orbit. They have a little chance to intrude inside our atmosphere, while a Tira asteroid revolve in an elliptical path passing through outer orbital axis. Another set of near-Earth orbit asteroids are the ones which are most deadly in terms of hitting our planet. These are also called potentially hazardous asteroids, or PHAs. They constantly revolve right outside Earth's atmosphere and have kept scientists on the edge of their seats due to their unpredictability. Asteroids have cold environments with temperature dropping as low as -73 degrees Celsius or -100 degrees Fahrenheit. Research has shown that asteroids have a layer of dust over them and could wipe out an entire population if they tend to hit the Earth by any chance. So why are the scientists so scared and concerned of these heavy rocks hitting our planet? It is believed from the records that as soon as an asteroid might hit the Earth's surface, it could lead to a catastrophic end. Not only can it wipe out lives within seconds, can also form thousands of kilometers long craters that could disrupt the entire crust balance of our planet. Not just that, when an asteroid forms a crater, it raises an enormous amount of dust covering the entire environment. These dust particles could prevail in the atmosphere for hundreds of years, cutting of solar radiation right away. This also results in disruption of photosynthesis process carried out by plants and provides hostile environment for the living things to sustain life. It is not only theoretical data, but it has been concluded from its previous interactions with such humongous objects. How can anyone forget the deadly Chicxulub event? It happened somewhat around 65 million years ago, it in the Earth somewhere around North America. It is believed that the land of Mexico has emerged from this event itself. It also resulted in wiping out almost 70% of living populations, including rare polar species and the mighty dinosaurs. Another similar event occurred some billion years ago called the Vredefort crater. It was much larger than the Chicxulub event, ranging from 2,000 kilometers squared. It is believed that the crater was much larger when it formed, but it later shrunk significantly. Well, asteroids hitting the Earth isn't an historic evidence thing, but recent encounters are also seen. In 1908, another asteroid hit the Siberian lands in Russia that could have been much more deadly if it fell over a residential city. Fortunately, no lives were lost as it hit a remote area in Siberia, unlike the 2013 one. This asteroid disintegrated in the air itself due to friction but released 15 tons of TNT. It could have been more deadly than the Hiroshima bomb attack if it had hit the Russian lands, although few parts of the city received after effects and slight vibrations. About 1,500 people were injured by these asteroids, and a lot of buildings were also destroyed. But the recent concern of the scientist is another potential health hazard asteroids called 2001 CB21 and 2022 AP7. While the 2001 CB21 is relatively smaller than the 2022 AP7, it will orbit approximately 1.3 kilometers away from Earth's atmosphere, which is scary. The 2022 AP7 is much scarier as it is considered to be as big as 3 times the Eiffel Tower. Although it would not hit the Earth for another century, it does not put us in the safe zone either. Due to the gravitational pull of other planets, its speed could accelerate and it could hit Earth much earlier than we expect. Scientists have launched the DOT mission and the Lucy rocket, which would have the potential to destroy the asteroid in space even before it hits our planet. Well, do you agree with NASA's concern regarding search for expected asteroids? Do let us know your views in the comment down below, and give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it.